Welcome back to Preyo Promo, your ultimate guide for optimizing your digital workflow with fast and effective tech solutions. Are you trying to protect your personal information or hide sensitive passwords while editing your desktop tutorials? Today, I'm showing you the pro-level secret to blurring out private data inside Camtasia cleanly in just seconds. Step 1. Launch the app. First, open your Camtasia application on your computer to launch your main video production editing interface. Step 2. Load project assets. Press the prominent Import Media button and select the exact files you want to edit into your project. Step 3. Timeline track placement. Long press your imported video file and drag it smoothly down onto the primary track 1 timeline lane. If you want to save money and stay ahead with the best viral tech hacks, subscribe to Preyo Promo right now. Step 4. Access Graphics Panel. Navigate over to the left side Tool Menu Options panel and click directly on the Annotations tab. Step 5. Open Privacy folder. Look at the sub-menu layout header options at the top of the panel and select the Blur and Highlight category. Step 6. Choose Blur type. Browse the Pixelation filters and select the exact type of blur or mosaic effect your clip requires. Step 7. Hide sensitive data. Drag your chosen filter directly onto your video canvas to instantly hide your private on-screen information. Thanks for watching Preyo Promo. Smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.